Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a special surprise that came in my mail today. It's my Boxycharm base for the month of April. And now I didn't have any tracking or anything on this, so it just showed up at my door. Super excited to get it. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. This in particular box costs $28.99 a month. And you get 5 full-size items inside, one in which you get to choose. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my unboxing here. First thing I'm pulling out is the card on top, which has the theme, which is this month is going to be Boxy Spring Revival. And then we have our products on the back with the price points on there as well. Quick disclaimer, if you hear little ones in the background, I do have 2 kids, so sometimes they do make noise. I do apologize for that, but you will hear them from time to time in my videos. Let's go ahead and get started with my choice item. And my choice item was this Sour You Doin' eyeshadow palette, and it's from Beauty Bakery. It's actually a little bit larger than I was expecting it to be initially, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. Honestly, I'm still on debate. Even when I picked this, I didn't know what I was going to be doing with this palette. I'm getting close to 250 subscribers, so I was thinking about doing a giveaway and including this palette in there. So let me just get it out of the packaging. Okay, but this is the palette here. It is a really nice looking palette. We got some natural looks that you can create with this. Also, we have some almost like sunsetty vibes with some of these colors I'm getting it from in here. But we do have some shimmers, some mattes in here. I think this will be a fun little palette for someone. I think I am going to put this in a giveaway. So for 250 subscribers, this will be part of the giveaway. This palette is valued at $38. So let's go ahead and move on to my next item. My next item is from a brand that we have seen in Boxycharm before. Is Georgette and Klinger. This is a vitamin C mask. Now, if I remember correctly, we got a primer from this company a few months back. I haven't got a chance to use it yet, so I don't know how it performs. But this is set to value at $36. For those of you who don't know, vitamin C helps brighten your skin up. So if you have any dark spots or anything like that, this would be good to help with that. It says it's for all skin types, so that's cool. I kind of like the packaging. I like the pump that it has. Almost reminds me of like a facial cleanser. But I definitely am looking, I love masks, anything to do with skincare. So for me, this is a win. And next up is a repeat item that I have gotten in Boxycharm before. So they did send me an email and let me know about it beforehand, which I'm not angry about because it's a hyaluronic acid serum from Studio Makeup. Now, I actually gifted this to a friend because she needed some hyaluronic acid serum. So it worked out for me that I ended up getting another one. So I still get to try it. But this is valued at $45 for this serum. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Okay, this is a very generous amount of serum in here. It is in a glass bottle, which is nice. And it has a really long dropper to reach the bottom. But it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and earth-friendly. So that is good. And next up, actually, I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway as well. This is a Rose Quartz Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow, and it's not because it's a bad product or I don't like it, but I've actually already gotten this from Ipsy. So we're seeing a lot of products like merge over from Ipsy and Boxycharm, which I don't really care for because then you get doubles and they don't really compensate you for it if you got it from a different company. So this is valued at $22, but it's a pink metallic shade. So I think it's going to be super cute. Let's just see what it looks like. We're not going to swatch it or anything because it's going to be given to someone else. But yeah, oh, that's cute. It is like a pearlescent metallic looking pink. It looks really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side for the future giveaway. And last but certainly not least, I'm actually pretty happy with this final product. It's Luxie and Luxie pour la Nouche. This is just like a little starter brush set. It looks like you got a face brush here and then 2 eye brushes to go along with it. Now I'm just curious to see how they feel because it says these 3 brushes are valued at $40, which is a significant amount. But if it is anything like the Luxie brushes that I have seen in the past, then they are going to be pretty good brushes. Now there is a little plastic thing here preventing you from unzipping it, just to kind of have that security of knowing that it's a brand new product. So there's that, and let's go ahead and just see what these brushes are like. They feel nice. They don't feel like really cheap. And the handles or anything, they seem like some pretty decent brushes. I'm excited to get these. And I like the white and the orange. It does remind me of springtime. So that's everything I got in my box. I'm going to be putting my overall box value up in the corner here. That's everything that I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.